Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Shatas in Media. So let's guys, today I tell you how you can add database virus in your WhatsApp account. So let's follow my video and I am telling you. First of all, open your WhatsApp account and give a chat backup from this WhatsApp, and here you can see there is no group of virus and etc problem. There is no group. Go to your WhatsApp setting. Here you can see it. After this, go to universal option and here you can see backup and restore. So backup your WhatsApp account, and here you can see this is a backup is ready. And we go to back and open a zapper application. It will be provided available on Play Store also, and open download folder. Here I am showing you the virus. So guys, this is a database teacher virus. Here you can see, open it, and here you can see again, and open this database. Click here three dot and double click here down and go to back your WhatsApp Android. Open it media and open your WhatsApp folder black WhatsApp. Here you can see, please follow my video. This is a WhatsApp. Thank you so much.